My name is Anjie Martin, and I'm from Indianapolis. And before that, Indonesia, where I served as IT director and an analyst on campus.
Have you always been in technology?
Pretty much my whole entire career, I've been in technology. Training is where I started early on, and technical support, and then moved into a role as a database creator and developer, and then at Anderson University, where I spent 7 years helping to support the technology of the university.
What is it about working with databases or working in technology and business that gets you excited?
Well, what I love about technology is how it helps to make people's lives better. I believe that there's a technology solution that can help you save time, eliminate mistakes and errors. Technology can help improve your day-to-day life. And I love to see how I can help find a technology solution to a problem that perhaps a person hasn't even articulated yet. All they know is that they can't do exactly what they want to do. And so I love to use my research skills, find something, vet it, and then help introduce a person to that technology and train them how to use it. And then finally to see how that improves their life or their business process.
Now, I've heard that you speak geek. What does that mean?
Well, I can speak to engineers. I understand technical concepts. And if I'm ever involved in a project where I don't understand how something works under the surface, I am the kind of person who likes to dig a little bit deeper. I don't like to not understand and be able to follow a conversation. So I will have the engineers spend extra time with me so that I understand something more fully in depth. And then I can help translate then to people who do not know those technical terms to help explain how things are working. So yes, I speak geek. I am a geek myself. I love databases, I love queries.
Do you think it's important for each individual user to understand the technology?
I believe that individual users need to understand how to use the technology. They may not need to know how something works under the surface. To them, it can be auto magic. They click a button and a report is produced that has all the information on it that they need, for example. So my focus with end users, whether they be teachers or students or in a business setting, is how to make the software work well for their situation.
I've heard you described as the data queen. What do you think people mean by that?
The data queen was a title I earned while I was at Anderson University. I found that during our data migration into a new student information system that I had a knack, and I loved to help clean the student data that we were getting from the old system and into the new system, into its clean and structured manner. I love to find errors so that your queries and everything are improved. So I have a passion for cleaning data because that helps produce better information. Data in and of itself, it's just garbage in, garbage out. So I want to make sure that the data we put in helps create meaningful information that we can then use to leverage, and we can leverage that information to make decisions that affect the organization.
Pretty much all of your professional life, you found success. What do you think has helped to create that success?
Well, for me, being adaptable has certainly been a quality that I've had to use, where we're moving from one student information system to the next, or working with an academic department and finding out what they need to help their department run more smoothly. So I could change course or change tack, especially if I'd heard that something wasn't working. Adaptability in technology is very important because technology is changing constantly. Where we used to do something, 10 years ago, we certainly aren't doing the same things in the same ways anymore. Human innovation has just been incredible, and as hardware has improved, software has just taken off. And now with machine learning and AI, it's a whole new frontier. So I think it is very important to be adaptable and willing to learn new, better ways of working.
People find the new things intimidating or scary or fearful. What do you have to say to folks who maybe are scared of technology?
For those who are scared of technology, I say, don't be scared. There's a whole lot going on, but you don't have to understand all of that in order to leverage technology to improve your life. So take a few minutes to find a YouTube video. That's the other thing that's so great, is that as new technology is coming on board, new software packages and things like that, there's always a trainer, it seems, that is ready to do quick little intro videos and will help you get familiar. Lots of free training resources out there as well.
What do you think an employer, somebody who wants to pay you, whether they want to hire you on contract or hire you on staff, what do you think they most need to know about you? What are you going to bring to their organization?
One of my strengths is my ability to connect and to listen. I'll bring a one-on-one approach to training. If someone, a teacher or professor, had a particular question or need, I would sit down and listen to them and then make suggestions. So I love to research, and I love to help see that technology meet the needs of somebody wherever they are, and certainly encourage and guide them along the way.